Hi there, this is Corrie Caldwell, Sales and Marketing Coordinator with Hanson Plastics, and this is HPC Coffee Chat. It's been a while since our last podcast. Lots of stuff going on with COVID and getting acclimated to that and getting everything back up to date, day to day operations running smoothly with all of the unique and new challenges that we face. But we are back and we have some really exciting stuff to talk about. Joining me today is Glenn White-Cotton, White Value Stream Leader here at HPC, and Mark Hill, one of our engineers. And they're joining me today to talk about the Manufacturers Association for Plastic Processors Innovation Awards. It's very exciting things going on, and we actually have more than one entry into this year's awards, and we're very, very excited to be able to talk about that. So Glenn, tell us a little bit about MAPP and what they do and how we're involved with them at HPC.
Morning, Corey. First and foremost, thank you for putting this together and for the opportunity to discuss MAPP. So MAPP, the Manufacturers Association for Plastics Processors, brings together plastics professionals basically from all over the world. What's great about MAPP is it gets us together, gives us a chance to connect and talk to people that are somewhat like-minded but are doing things a little bit differently. We share best practices in an otherwise very competitive world. 20, 30 years ago, it's my opinion that, everything was just so competitive that you would have never had an opportunity to do something like this, especially with what we're all dealing with right now with the COVID, the pandemic. It just highlights the greater the opportunity is to get together with people and one, realize that, we are all in this together, and two, we're willing to share our mitigation strategies as it does benefit us all in the end, right?
Absolutely.
Every year, MAPP has an annual conference. This year's conference was scheduled to be in Indianapolis. We've done it remotely this year, as most conferences have been held remotely. We submitted for the MAPP Innovation Awards, which I believe this is their 5th or 6th year doing as such. We had 3 submissions this year to go into the awards, and this was our first year with any submissions. We've been very gracious to accept 3rd place for one of our submissions that we're very proud of. And to talk about that is our White Value Stream additive manufacturing engineer, Mark Hill.
Hi, Mark.
Hey. How you doing?
I'm well. How are you?
I just wanted to start off with a thank you to all of our team members involved here at HPC on this project. It was only through their support and continued dedication that we have achieved the goals that we have. So I want to thank them absolutely for all this. And a thank you to everybody who voted for us for it. They actually voted us in 3rd, and that was fantastic. So we're extremely excited about that, especially for the first time submitting for this award. And of the 3 projects that we submitted, this one is particularly my favorite. So there's a lot of fun involved in designing and integrating this project. So this was something that we run multiple machines of for this product, simultaneously 24/5 to keep up with customer demand. So efficiency and downtime is very important for us. So our overall goal for the project was to find a way to increase our production output and increase our efficiency of the production line across all 3 of these lines. So one area that we identified was the degating station for this part. So this was the first stop for the part after being molded, and we needed to cut and remove the runner before it moves on to the next station. We found that there were some small and inefficient cutters on this station that we needed to replace weekly in order to continue to operate. This cost us around $2,000 a month to supply all 18 blades to all these stations. So this caused significant downtime replacing these blades and continuously having alignment issues with the new blade being installed in the system. So to fix that, we decided to redesign this whole system. We needed to make the system cut quicker and be more reliable, and we utilized our in-house engineering and 3D printing capabilities. With larger blades in the new system and a redesigned alignment plate, we were able to increase the efficiency of the cutting by 400%. And we also wanted to add a vision system to the new station to improve the quality of the part. So this then automatically rejects the part before it even reaches the operator. Due to the increased reliability of the station, we were able to reduce our downtime by 90%, and we're able to produce over 2,000 more parts in June of 2020 than we were able to in June of 2019.
That is amazing.
The blade life has increased significantly, and since we've implemented these systems, we've not replaced a single blade. This has saved us nearly $6,000 in 3 months so far, and it continues to rise as it keeps running. And we are even more confident of parts that we're shipping to our customer, and we have not had any rejections due to holes that the vision system is looking for since it has been implemented. So overall, a really fantastic completion of this project. I'm very happy with it.
That is very cool stuff. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah, it's been a true testament to the engineering capabilities of HPC. It's great to see, some of our more traditional engineering methods coming together with newer technology. We've made a big push and focus on 3D printing for the past year or so. A lot of our new projects talk about the speed to get these projects implemented is just tremendously greater than what it was, say, a year ago. A project like this to design the one piece of equipment that's needed. I mean, the design and the creation of, you may be talking about a month plus with the power of 3D printing and in-house engineering at HPC. I mean, we're able to reduce the time on these projects, to sometimes within a week. It's absolutely phenomenal and amazing and very exciting.
That is very cool stuff. And of course, the quicker we can get innovations and products out to our customers, the better off we all are. That's for sure.
Absolutely.
Any other comments on MAPP or the innovations that we've presented?
Nope. I just wanted to say I'm incredibly proud of this team, and they just continue to shine and show us the great level of value that they're able to supply not only their fellow employee owners here at HPC, but our customers. It's just a true testament to HPC and our capabilities, and we're going to continue to grow.
It's so true. And, I'm working remotely most of the time, but, these days when I am in the office, you could just, feel the excitement and the energy about the new things that we're exploring and trying out. So it's fun times, actually, even with all the craziness.
Very much so.
Well, thank you very much, Glenn and Mark, for joining me today. I hope everyone enjoyed hearing about some of the innovations coming out of HPC. And everybody have a really good day. Thanks for joining us.